A race against the clock to find a tourist vessel that set out to explore the wreckage of the Titanic and never returned. Thank you for joining us. I'm Mike Montecalvo. U.S. Coast Guard in Boston leading the charge to find the sub and those on board about 900 miles off of Cape Cod. 12 News reporter Kayla Fish joins us now live in studio with the latest on the urgent search. Kayla?
Well, Mike, teams with the U.S. Coast Guard and their Canadian counterparts are searching by air, on the surface of the ocean, and underwater using sonar, looking for any signs of this sub with 5 people on board. An expedition to explore the wreckage of one of the worst maritime disasters in history, now in the midst of its own catastrophe. A one-of-its-kind sub that brings tourists to the site of the Titanic shipwreck at the bottom of the Atlantic Ocean has gone missing.
It is a challenge to conduct a search in that remote area.
The U.S. Coast Guard says the operator of the vessel, OceanGate